guys! Welcome back to another episode of Lindsay Time! So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you guys how I edit my Instagram photos. So yes, because yesterday I posted my feed on Facebook, so I took a screenshot of it, and then there's a lot of you asking how I edit my photos and what is the preset I use, because basically I'm using the Lightroom for my Instagram photos, and I just found this preset super nice and I don't know how to share it or send it to you guys, so I decided to just make a video of it and just share to you how I edit my photos. Okay, just a background, I've been using Instagram for almost 7 years now. Instagram started noong 2010 and I started using Instagram 2012. At that time, it was just available to iOS users. So that year, I have my oldest iPhone, which is the 3G. Yeah, I have that old school iPhone 3G before. Instagram is just so addicting. Yeah, that's how I started, and the logo before was just brown and the rainbow color. And then now, it's so different. Wala pang IG stories noon and everything. And the size of the photo that you can just upload there is the square ones. But now you can have your landscape or portraits. So, yeah. It's very different now from before. As in, ang dami nang nagbago. And right now, oh my God, super uso ang Instagram feed. Or feed goals, as they said. So before, I just post any random photos like that, but like right now, it's just when you're on your Instagram, you need to have a good feed so that everyone will follow you, or yeah, you just need to put some beautiful contents on your Instagram. So finally, nagkaroon na ako ng feed goals, but I just started because I really have a messed up photos there kasi I just post any random photos I want. But now I've been thinking what to post or like that so that it goes along with my feed. So yeah, I'm gonna show you first my feed. Okay, let's go to Instagram. Okay, I'll just pop it up here. So this is my feed right now. See how the colors. So, I barely started this one. Hanggang dito pa lang. Ayan. And the rest are photos that are not organized. Hindi siya masyado feed goals. So, unlike this one, so I think I'm gonna maintain this one. So, there you go. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, just check out Miss Lindsay. Ayan. Okay, so let's start. I'm using Lightroom. And then, okay, I'm gonna show you this first. This is the recent photo that I uploaded yesterday. And then we'll copy that one. So, we go to Lightroom. There. So, this is the original photo. And then, how I do my preset is that you'll just go to Light. And then what I adjust here is the highlight, which I lower to 57. So this is the standard preset that I use, and then later on, it depends upon the photo. Paano mag-itsura ng photo, I just adjust some of the luminance of different colors, and then exposure, and then sometimes the highlight as well. So yeah, but I'm showing you the standard that I'm using. Okay, so and then the shadow will be plus 55. There you go. And then whites is negative 30. And then the blacks will be plus 29. So basically on lights, ito lang ang mga ini-edit ko. And then just edit some of the exposure later on. Okay, let's go now to the color. I adjust the temperature to 12. And then the tint stays the same. The vibrance and the saturation will be at negative 33. Okay, there. And then now we go to the mix. Okay, now for the red one, we go to the hue. It is plus 38. And then for the saturation is plus 71. The luminance stays the same. Next is this color. We just adjust the saturation to plus 85. So, dito natin nakikita yung medyo brownish na ganyan. So, my inspiration, by the way guys, for my feed, parang I like the feed of Lorraine and Camille, but it's so hard. I don't know their preset, so yeah. And plus, they have a beautiful camera that they used to take picture with. So, I just have my phone, and it's iPhone 6 Plus, so it's not that newest model or yeah. And then for this one again, luminance will be negative 13. Okay. Next we go now to color yellow. For the yellow one, we reduce the hue for at least negative 44, and then saturation up to 18. There. And then luminance just as is. Next is the green one. Hue will be negative 51. Saturation is negative 100. And then for the luminance is plus 100. Next we go to the light blue. So here's just the luminance, negative 18. And then the dark blue, we adjust the hue to negative 42, and the rest stays the same. So basically that's it for the color. Okay, now we move to the effects. So the clarity will be plus 12, and then the haze plus 7. There. That's it. So the last one that I do is the detail. Sharpen is to plus 21, and then we also edit the noise reduction plus 26, and then the color noise reduction plus 27. So there you go guys, this is the final preset for all my photos. I mean, this is the basic preset that I use for my photos. And then how to save your preset once you're done. So just click on the 3 dot there, click create preset, and then ayan na. Yung mga settings nyo sa ginawa nyong previous photos will all be saved here, and then just name your preset. Okay, I'll put my name Lyndzy. So there you go, added to your preset. So there you go guys, just once you're done, you can click on the presets here. Ayan. And then, makikita nyo na siya doon yung bago nyong ginawang preset. So, dun sa photo na in-upload ko sa Instagram, let's see if they're same. Because I think not. Because I edited on the yung blues. Kasi mas gusto kong nakikita ma-enjoy yung blue. Okay, this one, and on my basic is this one. So, ang ginawa ko, di ba meron na akong basic na photo preset na yan. And then, I just edited the color here. This one, and then yung luminance. See, when you do that, pwede siyang maging bright if you add. And then, magkaroon ng color when you go lower. See the difference? So, I lowered the luminance here so that I can see the blue sky. There. And then, for my face, it's too brown. And here, a little bit lighter. So, I just edited the luminance again. So, just add a little. Something like that. Oh, there you go. So there you go, guys. That's how I edit my Instagram photos, and I hope that I was able to explain well and share to you the preset that I use, and you can also use that as well. So yeah, I hope you have fun and enjoyed this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Miss Lindsay. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!